Hello there. Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage IP addresses in DirectAdmin. By default, the control panel is assigned an IP address derived from the server. The other scenario of managing your IP address is through DNS management. In this case, let's say you want to have your A records pointed to a different IP address. That's where this key function comes in. You will be able to decide which URL, subdomain, or DNS entry points to which IP address while in DNS management of DirectAdmin. By default, your IP address will be that of the hosting server that your account is hosted in. If you have a different IP address that you wish to have another function pointed to, that is a DNS function, whereby you will be editing the A records of your DNS records. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.